Today unboxing is on the recent release from Mini GT. 3 very cool castings here. You have 2 exclusive, one from Indonesia and one from Hong Kong. And the other, a very impressive LBWK Lamborghini Huracan GT. There's a lot of potential in the Mini GT brand and definitely the way to go to add into our diecast collection. And now let's take a closer look at the LBWK Lamborghini Huracan GT Rosomas. Comes with a very unconventional box design, very dynamic. You can see the very loud LBWK branding on the background and the very sleek Lamborghini Huracan GT. Above the LB silhouette works GT logo type. And behind consists of the Lamborghini license decal, including the TSM authentication sticker, and also the contact for Mini GT. Apart from Facebook and Twitter, Mini GT also has their own Instagram page, so do follow them for the latest update. Wow, very cool. This casting will definitely pass very well with the Aventador in sleek black. The workmanship and execution is flawless. Really love all the treatment here, is very accurate and very realistic. The body color is awesome with high gloss red and gunmetal. Realistic wheel sets and rolls extremely well. Side mirror is elastic, although you can't tell from the eye. Very nice touch to the rear. The color exhaust, the Lamborghini logo, the detailed grille, and all the details. I have many favorites for Mini GT for 2020. I really can't decide in my head which one is the best, and this Huracan is really a piece of art. Next, the LB Works Nissan GTR. This is an Indonesian exclusive, 40th anniversary edition by Intersport. You can see the visual exclusive logo. It's a Nissan GTR R35 right-hand drive casting. Wow, very nice. The whole Intersports team is on the GTR. Excellent details with very nice choice of wheel sets. The Intersports logo is prominently displayed on the side and very nice carbon decal application on the hood. Lots of details on the rear, very nicely executed. The rear wing is very attention-seeking. In conclusion, this GTR is a very cool exclusive and it will definitely stand out among your Mini GT GTR collection. Lastly, the Hong Kong exclusive, the BMW M3 E30 comes with a unique box in the sleeve and also in the acrylic case. Immediately I can see the awesome BMW M3 inside the case, very cool. Really like the livery with the Watson's logo that's been very loud. The sleeve design is simple to bring out the casting, which you can see the Mini GT logo on the flap. Behind is a very simple line art of the M3 and also the license information. On the base, the license decal and also the authentication sticker from TSM. It's a 1991 Macau GP winner Hong Kong exclusive. Not forgetting the social media contact for Mini GT Hong Kong. Wow, it's very impressive casting. Very cool, I really love it. The small details on the front is incredible, while all the attention is focused on the livery because it's very cool. The interior is realistic and it's quite bare because it's a racing car with only a driver's seat. And what's very cool is the inclusion of the roll cage. This casting is no doubt the actual replica for the 91 Macau winner, and it's definitely a very meaningful and iconic casting to add into my Mini GT collection. This release is a home run for Mini GT, and I can't wait to unbox more Mini GT on this channel. More Mini GT unboxing coming, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!